Hello friends, welcome to my channel Om Electronics. Today we will discuss about RGB LED. When we begin our adventure with Arduino, the first Arduino program we will write or start our Arduino experience with is the blink program. In this program we will blink an LED on and off at a certain delay time. So from the first Arduino program itself we will begin working around LEDs. Coming to an LED, that is light emitting diode, which is a semiconductor device that emits light when current passes through it. This is the symbol of the LED. We know about this. But there are several types of LED available today. And RGB LED is one such fascinating variant of LED. What is the RGB LED? Since an RGB LED consists of 3 individual LEDs in a single package, RGB stands for red, green and blue. The number of leads is different than that of a regular LEDs, which has 2 leads, one for cathode and other for anode. So this is the simple LED. This is the cathode terminal and this is the anode terminal. Only 2 terminal. So this is the simple LED. There are 2 terminals. One is cathode and other is anode terminal. But RGB LED has 4 leads. One lead for each individual color, red, green and blue. And the 4th terminal, that is the common lead, which can be either cathode or anode. The 4th terminal, 1, 2, 3, 4. First for red, this is the common terminal, either cathode or anode. This is the green and this is the blue. So this is the RGB LED. So this is the red common terminal, either cathode or anode, green and blue. Generally, the common cathode variant is found more frequently than the common anode variant. Now this is the common anode type RGB LED. So this is for red, green and blue. And this is the positive terminal, totally common terminal. And another, this is the common cathode terminal. This is for red, green and blue, and cathode terminal are common. Another SMD type RGB LED. So this is the SMD type RGB LED. SMD RGB LED also contains 3 individual LEDs, each for red, green and blue lights. But each internal LED has its dedicated anode and cathode leads. That is blue. This is blue anode and blue cathode. This is green for green anode and green cathode. And this is for red. So red anode and red cathode. Hence the SMD variant has 6 leads. 2 for blue, 2 for green and 2 for red. Using an RGB LED, you can ideally generate any color by the controlling of brightness of the individual red, green and blue LEDs. So we are getting 7 colors. There are 7 colors. For red, for only red LED is on. Number 2, green, only green LED is on. Number 3, blue, only blue LED is on, and number 4, yellow, both red and green, both red and green, both red and green on. Number 5, both blue and green on. Number 6, magenta, both red and blue on, and last white, both red, green and blue on. The technique used to control the brightness of an LED is called pulse width modulation, or simply PWM. There are two important factors to consider when dealing with PWM technique, that is duty cycle D is equal to T on by total time period, that is T off plus T on, that is T on by total time period, and the frequency. Here we use Arduino to generate a PWM signal. Arduino Uno has a 6 pin that can be used to generate PWM signal, that is pin number 3, pin number 5, pin number 6, pin number 9, 10 and 11. In order to generate PWM signal of a specific duty cycle, you need to use the analog write function. You need to use the analog write function. Here the value varies from 0 to 255 for 0 to 100% duty cycle. Now we can control a single RGB LED using Arduino. So this is the circuit diagram. Here we use single LED common cathode terminal. So this is the common cathode terminal. We connect this terminal, ground terminal of the Arduino board, and here we use the red terminal, that is pin number 6, and green terminal, that is pin number 5, and blue terminal, that is pin number 3, and through this 1K resistance. This is the circuit, and this is the Arduino pin number 6, 5 and 3, and this is the ground terminal, and RGB LED common cathode terminal connect to the ground terminal of the Arduino. We upload the code in this Arduino board. Now open the Arduino. So this is the code for only RGB basic color. we use 3 pins, that is pin number 6, pin number 5 and pin number 3. Pin number 6 for red pin, pin number 5 green pin and pin number 3 blue pin. So here for red color, the primary colors 1 0 0, that is 1 for on, 0 means off. So red on, green and blue off. Similarly, for green colors, we use primary colors 0 1 0, that is red off, green on and blue off, and so on. So upload this code on Arduino board. Done uploading, and here the LED, we are getting the different several colors, that is 7 colors.